Hey guys, welcome back. This is Miriam at Code Trainer, and let's get on to our next operators that we want to learn about, which is exponentiation. This is where you will raise one number to the power of another. If you open up your IDE by double-clicking on PyCharm on your desktop, and we'll create another new file in your Hello World project. Select New, come down to Python File, and enter this name as exponentiation. You should now be in your code environment where you can begin entering your code. In this example, we're going to raise 2 to the power of 3, which in essence is 2 times 2 times 2. This should give us an answer of 8. So we begin by writing print, set of brackets, and within the brackets write 2 to the power of 3. Now when doing a calculation like this, we use two star symbols together, which is basically giving you the operation that's required to calculate your calculation. Go up to Run, and then select Run Simple Operations. Make sure to select the right file. Go to Run, and down to Exponentiation, and there's your answer there, 8. If we try another one, it is good to get in practice, so mess about with your calculations and give yourself some practice and time on the developer. So if you try 3 to the power of 3, which is 3 times 3 times 3, so that gives us the answer of 27, which it has. And again, if you remember, Python runs each line of code when you run a program. So I will repeat the first line, the second line, the third line, all the way down to your current line. You can also do more difficult calculations, such as 9 to the power of 1 divided by 2. What it will do here is work out your calculation for 1 divided by 2, which will give you 0.5, and then do 9 times 0.5. So if you run again, it's giving you the answer of 3.0. You'll notice that the numbers were integers all the way through, but when we use the division symbol again, automatically the integer was converted to a floating point number. Another example that can be used is print one plus power of 2. This is another way of writing it. So we'll calculate this section here first, which is giving you 4, and then it'll be 4 times 4. So if you run that, what to add the other brackets there. The good advantage is if you look down on the error screen and you do get an error, usually the last line of the error code here does give you an understanding of where the error is. So this is telling me the unsupported operand for star star or power is not supported, as I've selected an integer, but this is because I forgot to add simple thing, which was the brackets. So you run the code again, and there's your answer there, 16. Another operator that we're going to learn about is quotient and the remainder of. To find out the quotient or remainder of a division, we need to use floor division and the modular operators. Floor division is done using 2 forward slashes, such as this, and also the modulo operator is carried out with the percentage symbol, which is this one. We're going to do a calculation of 20 divided by 6. And remember to add the print and the brackets. If you go up to run and run your code, it'll give us the answer of 3. Now, 20 divided by 6 is 3, remainder 2. When we're using the 2 division symbols, which is the quotient, it won't give us the remainder. Whereas, if we do the same calculation and we enter 20 with the percentage symbol, which is the modulo operator, which should give you the remainder, and we run this one again, it's giving you this time the remainder figure rather than how many times 6 has gone into 20. If we do the following calculation, which is 7 modulo, open brackets, 5 with the quotient calculation. In this example, Python will first calculate this section of the code and then carry out the full remainder of the code. We'll give you an answer of 1. I hope this was helpful for you. Remember to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.